Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 17th episode of the academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll write the opening sentences of our discussion essay supporting paragraphs. So let's get started. The first supporting paragraph is about students studying what they like. The first standpoint argues that students are entitled to choose the subjects they study. Research shows students studying their favorite subjects, as opposed to a prescribed list of subjects, are more likely to land well-paid jobs. And the second supporting paragraph is about students only studying what will be useful in the future. The other viewpoint champions the study of subjects that will be useful in the future. For instance, less developed countries are more in need of engineers than journalists. In the next episode, we'll do the same thing to our problem solution essay. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.